Testing 1 2 3, and we are live. What's up, guys? George the Cloud here. My name is Jorge, aka George, and this seat is really squeaky. My God, I'm gonna have to put like WD-40 on here or something, but it's very squeaky, and it doesn't bother me, but maybe the neighbors and the people I live with. So I have to watch my movements carefully. Anyway, my name is George, aka Jorge, aka George. Welcome to the channel and welcome to my life. Big video today, exciting stuff, because we have Rogue Wave, Jairo-Hibiya. Also, it's Rogue Wave and Jairo, the name of the song, Hibiya. Hibiya? Not sure what it means, but somebody let me know because I don't speak Japanese. I just reacted to the eliminations for GBB. Make sure you go check that out. I have a playlist, and I ranked Jairo in third place, almost second favorite because of musicality. Rogue Wave fourth, right after Jairo. So, very good beatboxers, of course, tag teams. And so I can only expect greatness from this collaboration. I love when this happens. Artist and another artist combine superpowers and give us a banger. This is a short video, 141, so let's just get right into it. Try to enjoy it, and we'll see what happens. Get some popcorn, fill up your water, put your headphones on, not off, on, and let's go. We're going again. Nice, nice, nice. All right. First things first. We like and we subscribe, of course, as per usual. I have a link of the original video down in the description below so you can check it out. What do I think? What is my commentary? My professional analysis of this. No, I'm just kidding. I'm no professional, guys. You must remember. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a scientist or even a professional athlete. I'm just a guy watching a video. So my opinion is as pure as an angel's voice. This was really cool. They worked well together. I like how they're outside. It's in an interesting place. This is probably a bridge in a mall, I'm gonna say, because there's similar structures here where I live that are like that. But I'm assuming this is in Japan, and I'm wondering if they knew about this before, or was this almost like a improvised, spur of the moment, or if they worked together before this, even before GBB, and came up with this track. It was very short, that's why I listened to it twice, and the vibe that I got from it, it was like a chase. Imagine you're in, this could be in any major city, but let's say New York. You're in New York City in a motorcycle, I felt like, and you were on a mission. But it wasn't like a super intense mission, it was almost cartoonish. Like I imagined something like Pink Panther, or maybe one of those movies where the animation is about dogs or animals that speak, and they're kind of in their own world, and we get a perspective on how they understand the world. So that's what I'm picturing. Maybe like a dog that is the protagonist, and he's riding a motorcycle, and he has a cape, maybe something goofy, goggles, and his mission is to like go find a bone that has gone missing, something like that. So he's just swerving, going around. He has skills in motorcycle, drifting, running through red lights, and this is the song that's going on in the background. Call me crazy, but that's what I pictured. Aside from that crazy rant that I just went into, or tangent, the flow, they have really good flow, working well together. I didn't notice that many mistakes. This was fun. This was entertaining, and I want to see more. It left me like it was so short that I want to see more. I hope they come out with more videos because this was really entertaining and I enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed the commentary that I just threw at you, go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, share. Let me know what is next. Guys, the comments are the way to my heart. I'll just say that much. At the end, do a flip. Till the next.
Thanks for watching.